Hello, farm. Lift the sound. The sun is up. The little farm is already a busy place. Can you point to everybody who is busy in the meadow? Who will pull this cart to the barn? I will, says Pony, the pony. I can pull the cart. I can give you a ride. I can help plow the garden. Let's stop at the pond for a cold drink of water. Can you point to everybody who is busy at the pond? Who has her wings full with all these ducklings? I do, says Mama Duck. Good job, says the pony. The farmyard is a very busy place today. Can you point to everybody who is busy in the yard? Who is rooting around for tasty bits to eat? We are, says the piglets. Me too, says the pony. I like corn too, says Mama Duck. The barn is home to lots of animals. Can you point to everybody who lives in the barn? Who has a surprise for us today? Hello. I do. Hello, says the pony. Hello, says the piglets. Help this duckling find the pond. This is the sound cows make in the field. This is the sound pigs make when they're eating. Help the tractor get to the barn. This is the sound the pony makes when he calls the friends. How many chicks do you see? This is the sound the ducks make together in the pond. Pony. A pony is a small horse, but not a baby horse. One very small kind of pony is a Shetland pony. A baby horse is called a foal, colt, or filly. Duck. Baby ducks are able to walk and leave the nest just a few hours after hatching. As soon as all their feathers are dry and fluffy, they are ready to float in the farm pond. Pig. Pigs really do love to roll around in mud. In hot weather, it helps cool them off. In all weather, a mud bath cleans their skin of pesky things like bugs. Cow. The cow in this story is a Holstein dairy cow. The black and white pattern of a Holstein is like our fingerprints. No two cows have the same exact pattern.